Alright guys, so today we have this new video. I'm gonna show you guys how to repair a Bluetooth speaker that doesn't charge. You can see on this one, if you have a Bluetooth speaker that has the micro USB type B connector, this is gonna be the video that you need. It doesn't matter if your speaker is Beats, it doesn't matter if it's a Boss, it doesn't matter what brand or where it's made, as long as it has the same connector, the micro USB type B, it's gonna be the same process. Alright, so let's get to it. Basically, the problem that happened on my speaker, it fell at one time with the connector on, and the connector just bent. And from there on, I started having issues with the connector. I had to put it in a position to pull on it to be able to have a good contact inside, good contact. So I got tired of that, and I opened this speaker, and I'm gonna show you guys how to bypass the connector and just solder the wire directly to the power area, so you don't have to unplug and plug every time. So the hardest part is gonna be figuring out how to open your speaker. On this brand is a 808, so it's a SP450 model, and let's see. So on this specific model, you're gonna find the bolts to open it on the bottom part. So here's one. If you go here, usually it's around the rubber, the rubber that has, look, there's another one, and then on this side same thing, one here and one on this side. And the tools that we're gonna use today to repair this speaker, we're gonna be using a Phillips screwdriver, flathead, and also I got some soldering wire. We have the soldering, and also I have my grease, the soldering paste or grease, however you want to call it. So let's get started on it. So we're gonna use the Phillips screwdriver, and we're gonna remove all 4 bolts. Alright, so I already have it. Remove all 4 bolts, and I'm just gonna look for a spot to separate between the metal part, or this is aluminum, and the plastic. There, it just popped out. So now let me show you exactly what we're gonna do here. So in my case here, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug these wires to open it, pop it up from this side, and give me enough room to get to the connector on here. So let's see. So now that it's open, we're gonna go ahead and remove these 2 little bolts. These are the ones that are holding the circuit board to be able to manage it and move it around. So I'm gonna remove this one here. Okay, I'm gonna put it to the side. Okay, so now very gently try to move the circuit board. And you're gonna have to push it that way, because you see this the auxiliary hole here, it has like a lip. You make sure you free that off before you pull on it. like right here, I'm kind of separating a little bit. Alright, so right now I have it out, and I'm gonna unplug these two connectors here so they give me enough room to move it around. On this one, I'm just gonna pull on it with the same screwdriver here. And then this, I'm pretty sure these two connectors are for the speakers. Alright, so the music went off. So one is for the okay, so now that I have more room, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up at the same time. Be really careful here on this end because you have an LED light that goes into this hole. So you have to make sure you clear the LED light, and then make sure you clear the little lip on the auxiliary hole and the connector here. Okay guys, so I have it out. We see the circuit board, and from behind the circuit board, or for underneath the circuit board, I put in the cable, because the connector, you're gonna find it attached here on this part. This is where the connector goes. So what I basically did, I just grabbed a piece of pair of pliers, and I pull on the connector, just basically block it. I put the little soldering gun to melt it a little bit and pull on it. Guys, if you look closely here on the circuit board, you're gonna see positive and negative. You can go by that to see where to put the red wire and where to put the black wire. If we look at the circuit board, we can see that there's a red wire attached to the circuit board, and there's a black wire. The red wire and the black wire, they go inside the speaker, and these two wires are the one that charge the battery. Red one means power, and black one means ground. So on your cable, you're gonna find four wires coming out of your cable. It looks like apparently on this cable I have white, green, black, and yellow. Don't forget about the other two. Get the black and yellow, the black and red. So just go straight like that. Respect the colors, red with red and black with black. So all I did was put a little bit of soldering wire here, melt it a little bit, and soldering together. And that was all I did on this speaker. Then after that, you just have to put it back in, make sure the wire is out of the way, and it's not gonna get smashed or anything like that, or it's not gonna be pulled. You have to be very careful with all that stuff. Make sure to look all the wires around, make sure nothing is getting smashed, and that's it. I'm just gonna line up the two little bolts that I removed from here. Just nice and tight. You don't have to put too much pressure on. Alright, so that's back into place. I'm gonna connect these two plugs back in. Nice and gentle, because everything is easy to break on these little circuit boards. There's that. And let's see. So this is my charger, and if I have any issues in the future, I can just do the same process. Cut the wire if I need to cut it. If it gets damaged here, I can just cut it here, put it back in, and weld it back with the other two. And that's basically all you need to do to fix your Bluetooth speaker that has a micro USB Type B connector, which is this one. Alright guys, well, this is all for today. I really hope you guys understood the process, and if you don't, please leave your comments. I'll be willing to reply back to you guys. Until the next video, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and try to be better every day.